First, do I really think that ChainLink is still a very valuable asset? That I do. Looking at the charts on the 1334 one day.
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? So I thought I'd do a video on ChainLink. It's been a while since I talked about it and what move I did. I actually exited ChainLink at about $15–16. And I had a cost average of about $3. So it was a pretty solid sell, locking in some gains. And, it just had started to go down. And I'm glad I got out. So let's talk about ChainLink. First and foremost, there's definitely no shortage of ChainLink news. There's been a ton of ChainLink news, and they continue to keep adding new functions and new things to the nodes. There's some FUD articles, ChainLink to power this, ChainLink that, ChainLink this. But let's just talk about the TA a little bit. First, do I really think that ChainLink is still a very valuable asset? That I do. Looking at the charts on the 1334 one day doesn't really tell us. 1 week looks very weak with the 13 bouncing off 34. Zooming out to the month, once again we had that crossover and then it just continued to break down. But what's really important is zooming out on the bigger pictures on these. We had a 3-month crossover and it's continued to break lower and lower. The 6-month paints a little different picture. I would have said that, if we would have held this $12 support on the 6-month, it would have been looking pretty shiny. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the year. Same thing. It just shows a bigger macro breakdown of breaking through with the next line of support down. Let's see, I would say the high $6 range, $7 range. So what is my strategy moving forward with ChainLink? Well, that takes me to looking at the all chart. And the all chart shows that it did indeed have a parabolic rise, and it is trading way ahead of that moving average on the 34. So if we extended this out, like I said, it probably put us at a full retracement back down to $7-ish. Now, could we find some support in here? Possibly, but I'm going to put a price target in the $6 range, anywhere in there. And at that point, I would probably re-enter into a position on ChainLink because the fundamentals haven't changed. We're just kind of seeing a weak market right now in DeFi, and a lot of the attention has changed to these farms. And as these farms piddle out, you're going to see focus back to the altcoins. And I do think long-term ChainLink is a very solid coin if you get in at the right price. So looking for those 6s, and I will be back in. So hope you enjoyed today's update. I'll leave a link down to ChainLink news. As always, like, subscribe. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.